Let me begin by saying that today is a very significant day because I will deliver to our kailian the first ever State of the City Address, or SOCA, since Lawag was created as a city in 1965. Yours truly became the mayor of this city at exactly noon on June 30, 2019. And during the transition stage, in fact, after 8 months, our world was plunged by the scourge of COVID-19. My administration had to face this challenge that no administration before me had ever faced. We needed to respond appropriately to the COVID-19 pandemic. We implemented strict border controls in order to prevent the spread of the virus. Our stringent implementation ensured that for the first year, Lawag City had no casualties. Kastulong kadagiti awanan ken nakurapay a pamilya idi panawin ti pandemya ng ti syudad ti 1,000 pesos kadagiti 19,755 households amarigatan amangisakad ti pamilya da gapu iti rigat ti sitwasyon. Saan ang nagsardeng ti administration ko abaro alawag tapnon supayuten na dagiti amin a pamilya nakaitet tayo iti sapasap a relief goods kasti delata, noodles, kape, gatas, bagas, kenda duma-duma a basic needs kadikiti amin na pamilya iti intero a syudad. The initial COVID-19 vaccines that we received were insufficient, which caused a delay in the vaccinating of our population. In fact, all LGUs, buong Filipinas, suffered from the same problem. We were even considering taking out a loan in order to purchase additional vaccine. But what I did was I reached out to Senator Bongo, who was the right-hand man of President Rodrigo Duterte, and appraised him of the situation dito sa Lawag. He immediately put me in touch with the then vaccine czar, Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., who immediately rolled out a large amount of vaccines for the use of Lawag City. The vaccines were predominantly Sinovac, Moderna, and Pfizer. Because of this large supply, we were able to vaccinate our kailian in all the official vaccination sites, Divine Word College, Lawag City General Hospital, and the Lawag City Public Market. Kas epekto, ti kinaadu, ang na-request tayo a bakuna, datayo ti umuna, ang nagunod, iti herd immunity, iti entero a Region 1. When no tay makunkuna, ang nakabakuna, iti dakel a porsyento, ti populasyon, tapno malepadan, ti napaspas a panagwaras ti virus. Kastapay na recognize ti syudad ti Lawag kas maysa kadikiti top 10 iti intero a Pagilian as the fastest LGU in vaccination. In the field of education, saan tayo binaybayan dagiti estudyante para iti online classes da, especially those who could not afford to buy their own gadgets. Through the Special Education Fund, nakaited tayo iti 63 laptops para kadagiti senior high school students from Ilocos Norte National High School, Ilocos Norte College of Arts and Trades, Ilocos Norte Regional School of Fisheries, Gabu National High School, Kawakan National High School, and Balatong Integrated School. We also gave the Department of Education, Division of Lawag City, volumes of coupon bonds and printing tools that were used for the modules of our beloved students. We allowed talipapas to operate in certain specific areas of our barangays so that the people would not need to go to the public market and expose themselves to the virus. Lawag City was applauded for a very unique initiative. We prevented our kailian from going out of their homes during Sundays through the No Movement Day, where our city was transformed into a ghost town. People were allowed to go out only for emergency and medical purposes. This became a national phenomenon. Our administration understood the effect of the pandemic. That is why we institutionalized a mental health assistance center at the City Health Office, which included counseling and training for those who were mentally affected by the pandemic, together with their parents or guardians. Because of this, we were awarded by the provincial government as the first and only LGU that institutionalized mental health assistance center, and they gave us cash incentives, Apo. Gapu iti banta ti kaawan ti makan na encourage dagiti barangay pakairimanan dagiti eskwela among established iti community gardens. Dagiti miembros ti 4Ps Sadyay Barangay Uno. Ti umuna anakapaktakder iti community garden where they planted in one area vegetables and fruit-bearing trees, including mushrooms. Members of the 4Ps sold their harvest from this garden, and the money was used to buy their needs. At times they used the harvest as food on the table of their families. Dito'y tayo ang nakita ti importansya ti gardening, ta malaksid iti kinaadda ti healthy and nutritious food which can help families to have a livelihood. Our recovery period from the pandemic started towards the end of 2021. Our regular programs, projects, and activities began to be revitalized. In education, 333 student recipients continuously benefiting from the Lawag City College Scholarship Program that involves a 5 million budget. But because there was such a clamor, such a demand, we increased the budget to 6,500,000. We are now ready to increase our beneficiaries to 433 slots. Napalaos tiraksak ko taadan 84 ang nagtorpos iti kolehiyo, Apo. Through the Special Education Fund, we extended to the Department of Education Lawag an amount of 3 million for the funding of procuring robotics. Students are being trained to use these robotics with human activities. Tapno mapalagan ken mapapaspas ti panakaaramid dagitoy. In fact, our INCAT robotics team won 3 silver medals in the 3rd Cryotech National Robotics Competition held in SM City, Santa Rosa, Laguna in November 2023. And the Shamrock Elementary School robotics team garnered rank 7 in the dynamic binary, rank 11 in AAA, and rank 28 in the digital Trojans, besting 76 other teams buong Filipinas. For youth and sports development, we have revitalized the 4-H clubs in 27 barangays. These clubs are active in farming and agribusiness, thus developing them as young leaders and innovators. Their interest in farming and agribusiness must be enhanced in order to contribute to sustaining our agriculture sector. We are proud that one of our beloved Lawagueños from Barangay 25 has won a number of medals in international competition for Taekwondo. I'm speaking about Joaquin Dominic Tucson, Apo. I also wish to tell you that we have discovered the local version of Lydia de Vega in the person of Christine Joy Taliente from Barangay Talingaan. At her tender age of 12 in the elementary division, she became the most bemedaled athlete in Region 1 during the 2023 Palarong Pambansa.